Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about volume of a cylinder. So in the previous video we have seen volume of cube, rectangle, triangle and pentagon prism. Now to find the volume of a cylinder, we will use the same formula, but it can be derived to the next level. Okay. Now in this case the base is a circle, right? The base for the cylinder is circle. This is the shape of a cylinder. Now if the base is the circle, then the area of a circle is pi r square, right? And height of a cylinder is given by h. So you can directly remember the volume of a cylinder is pi r square h. Okay. Now it's same as we did in the previous question. So if the radius is, let's say, 3 meter and the height is 10 meter, use the formula V equal pi radius 3 square, height is 10. Multiply all of them. So 3 square is 9. 9 multiplied 10 will give you 90 pi meter cube. This is how you will find the volume of a cylinder. Let's try one more question. In this question, the diameter is given as 8 meter and the cylinder height is given as 16 meter. So the volume formula is pi r square h. Okay. Now here the radius will be how much? The diameter is 8. This total distance is 8. So this is your diameter. So how much will be the radius? The radius is half of the diameter. So the radius is 4. So 4 square multiply height is 16 and 4 square is 16. 16 multiply 16. So that will give us 256, I think. Okay, let me just check again. 16 multiply 16. So yes, 256 pi meter cube. And that is your answer. You can further solve it if you put the value of pi. So 256 multiply with 3.14 and let's see 3.14, that will give us approximate 803.84 meter cube. So if it is in the question without pi, then this will be your answer, and if it, with the pi, that will be your answer. Both are correct, only we have solved it further. Okay, let's look at one more example. Now in this case you have a volume of oblique solid. Now how you will find this one? Okay, so if the base area is same throughout a solid and height is given, then you can easily find the volume of a oblique solid. So again we will use the formula V equal capital B multiply H. In this case the base area is given in the question. If you look at this information, the base area is given 20 meter square. So this is your pentagon here, and the pentagon area is given in this case as 20 meter square. This is the base, and the height is given as 9. So this is the height, and if the shape remains same from the bottom to the top, then you can use the same formula, right? So 20 multiply 9, that will give you 180 meter cube. But if the base area changes, then the volume will not be this. Okay, so that is called a specific theorem. Okay, and that is called Cavalieri principle. Okay, now if you don't have the base area given, then how you will solve? Okay, so let's just change the question here. Now in this case, if the side is, let's say, 4 meter and the height is, let's say, 10 meter, how you will find the volume of this type of question? Okay, you will need apothem distance also. Okay, so how will you do that? Now to do that, first of all you need to find the base area, right? And the base area is, for a pentagon, the base area is perimeter times apothem distance divided by 2. So perimeter is 4, 4, 4, 4, 4 and 4. Okay, this is a hexagon, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In this case, 6 multiply 4, perimeter will be 24. And now you will need apothem distance. So this distance you will need to find. How will you find this? So if you know, here the total angle will be 360 degree, right? 360. Okay, 360, and the sides are 6, so this will be 60 degrees. So for each triangle, here this will be 6 triangle here like this. For each triangle the angle will be 60 degree. Now if this angle is 60 degree and this is a perpendicular apothem, then this angle will be 30 degree here. This angle is 30. The total distance is 4, so for this distance it will be 2. Now you can use, and you need to find this a, this distance, apothem distance, right? A. So you can use tan formula. So tan 30 degree, because total angle was 60 and this half angle is 30. So tan 30 degree, now this is making a right triangle. Let me write it here like this. So this is 30, this is 2, this distance we don't know. So tan 30 is base divided with opposite. That is the formula to find the tan 30 degree, right? Okay, now how will you solve this? Use the calculator. So if you have tan 30 degree is equal to divided, so let me use the calculator for this. So A will be equal to 2 divide tan 30, right? We can just switch places, cross product you can call it. So tan 30 divide 2, one second, tan 30 degree, okay, let me use the calculator. Tan 30 degree divided with 2, and that will give us 0.225. So A will be equal 0.25 meter. Okay, so this is a complex question. Okay, now you need to watch it again to understand this, or I can summarize again what we have done. I have given you the base side is 4, this side is 10. The apothem distance we need to find. So the total angle is 360, total side is 6, so 360 divided 6 will be 60. For each triangle the total angle is 60, so the half angle, we have this type of shape, the half angle will be 30, half distance is 2, and this is your apothem. So you will use tan 30 equal, tan 30 degree equal A 2 divide A, 2 divide A, and you will find A equal 2 divide tan 30. That will give us 0.25, right? That's what we did. So now we know that this distance is 4, this distance is 2.5, and this distance is 10. Here, that is the important thing, that you need to know how we can find the apothem distance. That's it. So V equal B multiply H, that is perimeter multiply apothem length divide 2 multiply H. Perimeter is 4 times 6, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 24. Apothem length is 2.5 divide 2 multiply with 10. Just solve this and you will get your answer. So 24 multiply 2.5 multiply 10 divided with 2. The answer will be 300 meter cube. So that's how you will solve. I know this was a bit long question, okay, to find the apothem. I need to slow it down for you guys. If you still find it difficult, please watch it again. I'm sure you will definitely understand. So that's it for this video, and see you in the next video.